Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to present you and talk to you about how the payment processing works with Honeybook and what kind of fees they have. So I created a 40-minute Honeybook tutorial that you can find on how you can use it. And also if you want and you're going to use the link down below in the description for Honeybook, you would get 20% off for 1 year that Marcus Stone meme is giving you. So you can claim the discount if you want to. Now let's talk about the getting paid through Honeybook. Honeybook covers everything by itself. Yes, you can use the integrations if you want to, but what I really like on Honeybook is that you don't have to use Calendly, you don't have to use other tools. You will have it right here. So with Honeybook, you can easily complete the all-important duty of collecting payments from your clients with no need to go through a third party. When a client pays you through Honeybook, we automatically send payments to the bank account that you set up under bank details. So in the bank details on your account, you would just set up your bank account, and then you're gonna have processing times. The amount of time it takes for a payment to reach your bank account differs based on the method of payments the clients use. If it's a credit card, 2-3 business days, bank transfer 7-8. Now, how it actually you can learn more about payment processing times here. So how it actually works, the bookkeeping, and you can find payment status. And then when we go further, let's talk about the transaction and processing fees. So processing fees support the Honeybook platform and let us drive your credit card fees down through economy of scale. The fees are deducted from your total before it's deposited into your account. So credit card, it's 3%, bank transfer 1.5%, cash or check payments, no fees at all. And wondering about passing these fees on your client, check out more information here. And you can always review the total amount that was deducted for processing fees in your yearly or monthly analytics reports. Simply click the link for the year or month you're interested in to download the full CSV report. You will see the column for HB fee in that spreadsheet. So that's pretty much it. And note, if you need to refund the client, they will receive the full amount of the initial payment. Transaction fees won't affect them at all. So that's really good from my perspective for Honeybook. And if you can have any questions about Honeybook, let me down below in the comments. I'm really happy to help you, provide you some guidance. When I got also in Honeybook and you want to use the 20% discount code, you just click on the link down below in the description. And if you're deciding about if you should use the Honeybook or no, what you can do is to simply they got a free trial, you can test it out, and plenty of people did, to see if it's actually going to work for you. So yeah, that's pretty much it. This was a Honeybook payment processing understanding, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.